guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna play Arsenal. So oof, no. So basically, like there are like new glitches. Basically, if there's someone killing you, no. So I'm gonna tell you how to hide in the thing. So you come here, right? Make sure to come all the way here. If there's someone like trying to kill you, you can hide under here. Basically, if you're on mobile, keep jumping when you're inside so you can move. No! No, I hate this gun so bad. No, I just want to get the kill on this gun. Thank you. Finally. What team am I on? Oh, Team Red. Really thought you can do that, huh? Just like that. I like shotguns because they are like cool. Stuff like that. He's dead. Okay. So let's do dizzy or something like that. So I want to get Brick Battle. My favorite skin, bro. So basically, there's like a glitch here. Oof, oof, oof. No. So basically, there's a glitch here that you can like go inside the block. So you need to go to this yellow platform. Bruh. No, bro. My God. So hard. So you come to this yellow platform thing. Oh my God. No, come to the blue platform thing. Come on. Why? You can come to the private server. Do like that, and then like come all the way to the blue platform right here. If you're on mobile, sometimes it won't work because it only works for like PC, Chromebook, and like the let's just kill this guy or I'll die. So you just come to the blue and white platform or gray. So if you're on PC, just crouch like right here and keep crouching until it should glitch you when you're crouched. So it doesn't work on mobile because it will be really hard to do it on here. You're dead. What are you trying to do, man? Well, this guy's trying to backstab. But he killed me though. So I think it works it only this side. So you have to crouch and look backwards just like this, and then it should put you under. No, I hate this guy. No, come on. There you go. Oh. Oof. I could have backstabbed this guy, man. So if you wanna come here, like on the top, make sure you come jump here, and then jump here. You can just double jump if you have the double jump thing. You can do it like the blue part, this blue part. Oh, butterfly knife! I've been waiting for this. Let's go! I'm buying this. I'm buying this. No way! That was my favorite. Yes, let's go. I have the butterfly knife. I've been waiting for this knife. I've been like waiting so long. It like makes me try hard, kind of a try hard. Oh, got one. I like how the moves do it. So let's just... I'm fixing my hair because my hair is so long. I'm not gay or girl. I'm a boy. Oh, bro. Wait, who's doing... Oh, this guy. No. Bruh. Then look on your way, mister. Bro, this freaking thing, I've been waiting for it to come out so I can buy it. It's like it's my best melee ever. It's like the best. I really like it. Damn. See, I'm getting like headshots, kind of. Oof. Like shotguns are my favorite guns because like I hit like headshots sometimes on them. Bruh. No. I'm gonna end the video for like a few rounds now. So I'm gonna go for try hard mode. Please safe house. Let's go. Safe house is like my best friend. Butterfly knife. Sick. Changes into clouds. Coming to red team. Good. No. Need to get more skins. You're dead. You're dead. Come on. Die. Die. Ooh. There is another guy. Don't kill me, bro. Ooh, thank you. No. Thank God that guy didn't backstab me. So you can go to the roof. So basically, if you spawn like right here, come over here, right? Come jump right here, jump to the tree, then jump here right at the edge, and this should not make you fall. So you can just come here and you start. Come here, right? Jump like, oh my god, man. Jump, 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 and then jump just right there, and then make sure to jump right here at the edge, and then it should put you right here at the top, and then you can kill some players if you want. Then if you die, you can redo it. Right here. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead, probably. I think you can do the same thing right here and just come here. Nah, I think you cannot do it. You need double jump on just right there. Bro, that guy doesn't have a head. Wait a minute. Nope, nope, nope. Woo! That scared me. No, come on. Oof, 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 oof. Come on. So this round, if this round ends, it's gonna end the video too. Oh, sick, bro. That was sick. Nice. Boom, like that. Oh, oh. No. Please don't end it. No. See you guys. Bye. Peace. And that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye. Peace.